Did you know that Britain's biggest gold heist happened because of a single inside man who made one phone call? In 1983, Anthony Black worked security at Heathrow Airport's most secure warehouse. This place stored millions in gold bullion for Brinksmat, and it was supposed to be impossible to break into. But Black had a secret plan. On November 26th, he disabled every single alarm in the building. Then he called his criminal friends and told them exactly when to strike. The robbers walked right through the front door like they owned the place. No alarms, no resistance. They found 26 million pounds worth of pure gold just sitting there waiting for them. But here's the crazy part. They almost got caught because the gold was way heavier than they expected. They barely escaped with the massive haul. The criminals immediately melted down every gold bar and sold it through London's jewelry shops. The gold disappeared into rings, necklaces, and bracelets worn by unsuspecting customers. To this day, most of that stolen gold has never been recovered. You might even be wearing some of it right now.